Welcome back to my channel here at Trade2G. My name is Sammy. Today we're going to take a look at BBAI and APLD. Before I go ahead and chart, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and join the Discord. So let's get straight into it. Today we're going to take a look at BBAI first. We had a massive sell-off yesterday. We were talking about 30% sell-offs. Today we are engulfing. We had an engulfing bullish candle printing, and then we're also rejecting perfectly to the touch this 382 level at the $5.97 here. This bullish engulfing candle is telling you something, that buyers are stepping in and also people are riding the wave. They're trend traders. So where do I suspect the pullback? Because the pullback will happen. Well, I want to see at least the $5.46 range at least come back and get some consolidation, realistic levels back into BBAI, because this is just a momentum trade for the day or for the 2 days. But this is going to sell off at some point. Why do I say that? Well, your RSI is still beneath the center line. Your splay is vertical on the MACD. And you also have your negative DI literally pointing north. So as long as I see bearish indicators going off, this bullish engulfing candle on the bull side doesn't mean nothing to me up until we show some sort of consolidation in a realistic range. So I suspect the 236 when we get the pull off, when we get the retracement, to be that support off this micro Fibonacci level. Very key, important support zone. If we break that, then we also have this trend line here, which I drew and which it also respected based off previous lows. We are respecting this line. So if we come back, we break the 236, at least we have a trend line for a secondary support around roughly 493, 480. As long as we don't break this trend, as long as we don't break the 236, we want to see consolidation bounce off these two support levels so we can see where we're going to base. I usually have a 2 to 3 day rule when you have catalysts, events, or earnings, I don't touch the ticker. That's just my rule, and it's been working out for me so far. But at least we have support levels where we're going to see where it is going to likely retrace to. Now, moving on to APLD. Do I have some great news for APLD holders, longers? APLD is inside a broad rounding bottom. And I posted this on my X account. A broad rounding bottom. I mean, look at all the indications. We got this bump. We have this, obviously we have the left flip. And now we haven't even printed the right lip. But so far, in terms of what she's in a rounding bottom. This is one of the best patterns in the market you could ever ask for, at least top 5 you could ever ask for a continuation run, or suspect a at least where price action will lead to based off previous resistance, or I should say sell-offs from opening IPOs, or from high highs. The point is, this is looking really good from a rounding bottom formation on APLD. And this is back in 2003, I believe. This was a closing candle was around $50. Let me just turn on regular candles. This was around $50, this rounding bottom left flip. And then we just had a huge sell-off. And look what's happening right now. We're actually getting a continuation run. And we're getting patterns. I mean, if you guys been watching me, we've had ascending triangles, descending triangles. I mean, we got the whole nine. And one of the key features here for rounding bottom is that you have a consolidation phase where price just does this, and then it just rips. Exactly to the T, we had this huge momentum. And it's stated right here. Usually many months. Look for a rounded bowl shape, usually many months, and usually after an upward price trend, the shape. And what do we have here? Consolidation and an upward price trend. Obviously get the sell-off, and that's fine, new higher low. But the point is, it's a rounding bottom. Left flip was at $50 closing candles, and look what's happening now. We're almost, not halfway, but we're almost there. At least we're getting there. This is good. This is really, really amazing. APLD is not a ticker you're going to make money overnight. APLD is a long-term hold. It is a play that you look at and be proud that you saw it from down here. I mean, let's say from down here. From down here. It doesn't matter. Just the point is that it's a data center play. Polaris 1, done. Polaris 2, in the works. Future companies they're going to contract with, in the works. This is a data center play. It takes time. But look at the patterns. If I were to draw my EMAs on the daily and the monthly, let me make this a little bit cleaner. Excuse me. Let me make this a little bit more cleaner. Okay. Let's see what they're writing on. Any EMAs? Okay, beautiful. Look at the monthly. We have 5 EMA on the monthly, writing candles. Look at this. Support. We're above the VWAP on the monthly. Support. We're above the 10 EMA. Support. We're above the 20 EMA. Support. Everything about this ticker is lovely. All right? Is lovely. So, I wanted to speak on this because I've been waiting to showcase this for you guys. But rounding bottoms are one of the best patterns in the trading community. Okay? I love what I see. And congratulations, APLD Holler, because today, and we're still counting, it's 1480 right now, up 5% on the day. So I suspect tomorrow will be a new higher low, and everything else is good. So, that being said, thank you so much for watching the video. Join the Discord, like the video, subscribe to my channel. I look forward to doing more TAs such as these. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.